Come on, let's populate this. Testing 1, 2, 3. So what else did Maximo do for us? Let's see. Yep. Okay, let's see if I could add some more from Maximo. Supported EOQ, economic order quantity, yeah, supported that if you wanted to switch it on. Nice, Oracle Fusion, I'm seeing you there, Maria, nice. All right, good. Let's go, Benjamin. Tell us about it, Benjamin. Let's go. Tell us all about it. Primus, okay, Primus Plus. First time I'm hearing about Primus Plus. Okay. Well, let's go. Yeah, so don't forget, how does information technology help your supply chain? Yep, that's the $1 million question right there.